Hey y'all, it's Mary. Welcome to Mask Monday. This is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I am going to wear one of these sheet masks. Let's see what it's all about. I was sent these free for review. So this is a box of 5 masks. Oh, they're all different, which is pretty cool. There's Collagen Supreme, Ceramide Care, Cica Soothing, Hyaluron ×3 serum, and retinol serum. So I'm going to do this one right now. We'll do this one. These were sent to me free for review from TikTok. So I'll have the link below for the TikTok shop, if that's the right thing to say. And I hope I can figure that out because I think I've shared TikTok before. I don't do that very often. But I was asked to do something for TikTok with these masks. So let's put one on, and I'll let you know what I think about it. It doesn't really have a scent, but if it did, I'd say it's a very clean little tiny something, maybe a little bit of a scent. So it looks like a regular sheet mask. It's nicely saturated. And I've got a few things today. I have the winner from my Temu Summer Vibes collaboration. And then how was your holiday weekend, y'all? I'll tell you a little bit more about that. Hey, this fits really nice. This is nice. I like when you put a mask on and it really just, it's hard to even tell that you have a mask on because it really fits your skin well. Look at that. Got little wrinkles in there, a couple, but you know, that's probably operator error. All right, so for this, we know there's 5. It says plumping, brightening, nourishing, firming, soothing. These are about $20 on the TikTok shop, but they're on sale for like $11.88 for about $12. And when they said they'd send them to me, from the time they said they sent them to me till now, they've been that price, at $12-ish. So I don't know if they're just, showing you that it was 20 and it's always going to be 12. I'm not sure. But this is from the brand OOTD Hydrating Serum Sheet Masks. And there's 5. Of course, it's Korean and it's vegan, it says. And they're very nice. It says made in South Korea. So the one that I'm using, the Hyaluron ×3 serum, intense illuminating, glowing, moisturizing, brightening sheet mask. Combination of key ingredients help boost maximum skincare benefits. Triple hyaluronic acid helps hydrate and lock moisture into your skin. Caffeine helps reduce the look of puffiness. Vitamin C helps visibly firm and brighten the look of the skin. So that all sounds really good. It's a vegan lyocell bamboo sheet. So very, very nice. If you hear any thunder, there is some thunder going on. I think a lot of places where it's storms, heat and storms. That's what we got going on, heat and storms. So right now the sun is out. I can see that. And then we have some thunder off in the distance. So I'm not sure if that's headed my way or it hasn't passed yet. So we'll see how that goes. So how are y'all doing? How was your holiday weekend? It was a nice weekend for me. I did a lot of resting. I did work like a half day on Friday. It's other than that, I've been resting. I've been doing things around the house. Oh, I'm forever organizing, that kind of stuff. So let me know what you guys did. There were a lot of fireworks in my neighborhood. It sounded like I was doing them right at my house, y'all, because it sounded like it was above. And I'm always worried, don't let anything fall on my roof. But several of my neighbors do fireworks, and they're very beautiful, and they sound pretty good. I have been fortunate that I don't really have pets that get too upset with it. Camille didn't like it, but she didn't get horribly upset. So I happen to have 2 of these right here with me. So she just is not the cuddling type. Like I can't just hold her and comfort her. She doesn't do that. Blue and Smudge will, like, if they hear the first time the pop goes, they look up, but I know a lot of pets don't like it. And a lot of people don't like it. It can be very scary for a lot of people. So I hope everything went well your way and that you enjoyed the holiday. And I saw lots of fabulous stuff for the 250th anniversary, birthday, whichever you want to call it, for the United States. Pretty exciting. So that was my weekend. What was your weekend like? Like I said, I have an announcement of my winner. I did take a break. I didn't have any videos this weekend. I had my Friday night gab, and then I took the weekend off for videos. So my Temu Summer Vibes video collaboration was with a Tea Time Adventures, Single Mom, which is Teresa, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, Known as Here, which is Teddy, Smile Until It Hurts, which is Eric and George, Reviews with Sue, and Trisha's house, and then me. So there were seven of us this time, and we really enjoyed doing it. We all showed a lot of different things, so that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun, y'all. So let me know what you think of it, and I do have the announcement of my winner. I've been using a newer comment picker because the one that I use forever, for the five and a half years I've had my channel, it won't work if I have over 100 subscribers unless I pay for it, y'all. And I don't feel like I use it enough to pay for it. Maybe I do, but if it's under 100, then it's free. But I used a different one because I look for free. There's several out there. I've used a couple of them now, and this one that I used, I'll show you what it when you plug in the URL is the video. You plug it in there, and then it does this thing, and it shows all these numbers calculating, so to speak. So I'll show you snapshots of those, and then I'll show you the snapshot of the winner. And I can't remember the name of the comment picker. Some of them have names, but it's just one I put in, YouTube comment picker, and that's one that came up. So my winner for my Temu Summer Vibes is AM Sometimes. So that's A period, M period. Those are capitals, and then the word sometimes. So that channel, that person, it's not, they don't have a channel, but that account has commented on my videos for a few months now. I may have met them through one of these collaborators that I'm working with. You had to be publicly subscribed, and you had to comment on each video. And this account did do that. I don't know if it's male or female. I don't know their name. So please comment here that you saw this and that you know you won, and then send me either an email, MaryCatherineLovesCats@yahoo.com, or find me on Instagram, MaryCatherineLovesCats, just like the name here, and send me a DM there, and we'll talk about your winnings. And from the collaboration, watch their accounts to see the videos, to see if you have won from them. And also, I hope that you enjoyed the channels, because go ahead and watch those channels. They're great channels. We'll be doing this. This is something that I do quarterly, so we'll be doing it again in September. I think that's Smudge that is meowing. And let's see what else I got going on. I think that's really about it. I feel like I had something else to tell you. Can't remember what it was, but y'all, this is really nice. It feels good. I'll give it a thumbs up. I'm going to give these two away. So if you would like to win the sheet masks, then come on, Smudge, you want to come over? Then say the word green, Green, in a complete sentence. I say that because both have green little things on them. It's the Cica Soothing Mask and the Retinol Serum. And, make sure you test. I'm not responsible if you break out from this or anything, so make sure you do a test before you do it. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. It's a little tiny giveaway. This can go into an envelope easily and sent off to you. So just an easy breezy little thing. And I will choose a winner by next on my next Mass Monday, you'll see the winner. I'll choose the winner on Sunday before that. 10, 11, I think that's the 12th. June 12, noon Central, it ends. And then I will pick a winner, record my Mass Monday for next Monday, which is the 13th, right? And I'll choose the winner. So you all take care and count your blessings, and so good to see you. Hope you're doing something to take care of yourself today, and I hope you had a fabulous holiday and enjoyed it. And I know it's been hot so much anywhere. It was hard to enjoy because of the weather, but hopefully you still were able to. Take care, y'all. Have a fabulous week. This is now back to a normal full week. So I'll be working full-time this week, and then I also have to work Saturday. So I'm going to be exhausted next weekend. Y'all take care. Count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.